Welcome to Atlanta Truck Parking, where you get more than just parking. We're a fully operating depot, giving you secure space for staging, dropping, hooking, and storing trailers with fast access to I-285, the airport, and major freight hubs. At Atlanta Truck Parking, we offer live security guards 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, HD cameras with gate-controlled access, a fully fenced and patrolled lot, paved and gravel parking options, and 24/7 entry. Spots fill fast. Reserve your spot now by visiting atlantatruckparking.com. We hope to see you soon.